Hey guys, and welcome to Beautiful You TV. I know it's a little bit late, I'm so sorry, but I really want to wish you happy Christmas a little bit backwards. And it's about time to wish you a happy and prosperous new year. So all my best wishes to you, your relatives, and your families. And now let's go on to the look. Today we're going to do this look. This is a fantasy inspired look, so obviously it would not be good for every day. But it is perfect for holidays, it is perfect for costume parties, masquerades, well, any kind of parties that you wish to attend. So here is this look. And this is the one that I didn't come up with myself, I have to be honest. I was inspired by Sephora's Get the Look series, and as you know, Sephora comes up with very beautiful looks each year, especially during the Christmas season. This look is called the Life of the Party, and if you want to know how to do it, then stay tuned. Let's begin, and oh yes, it's primer time. As usual, prime your lid with Beloved Primer. And as you can see, I'm going to use Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. Today I will be using MAC eyeshadows. Here is my modest self-composed palette, which I got while traveling across the US. Unfortunately, single eyeshadows are not sold in my country. Anyways, using your 239 brush by MAC, apply Silvering eyeshadow, which is a frosty dark gray eyeshadow, to your lid. Apply some highlighter. It also has to be with a frosty finish. Crystal Avalanche by MAC would be perfect for that. Mix the highlighter color with gray one in order to eliminate all the harsh lines. Now let's apply some black eyeliner, such as Black Track Fluid Line by MAC. This will be a good base for our glittery eyeliner later on, and this will make it look even more flashy. On the top of the black eyeliner, apply a silver eyeliner with chunky glitter. If you live in the UK, I would suggest buying a silver eyeliner by Collection 2000, such as Glam Crystals. Let's go on and take our purple eye pencil by Urban Decay, which is a 24/7 glide-on eye pencil in Ransom. Apply the liner line to a lower lash line. Having done so, start creating the sketch of the quirky design on the temples of your cheeks and forehead. This will help you retain symmetry later on. Now it's time for the blush. I know it seems a bit early, but if you don't apply the blush now, you might spoil your makeup later on. Therefore, suck in your cheeks and apply Carolista Blush by Benefit to a contour line. Once this is done, grab your purple glittery eyeliner, either the one by Urban Decay or Collection 2000, and start gradually applying layers of eyeliner until you get the perfect finish. Your eye makeup will look totally incomplete without mascara. Therefore, a logical step would be adding some mascara to your look. Today's lip routine will consist of my favorite lip liner and lipstick. As a lip liner, I will use Illamasqua's medium pencil in Definitive, which I will apply to my lip contour first, and then I will fill in my lips. And as my lipstick, I will use Lawn Stem Rose by MAC, which I'm going to apply on top of the lip pencil. And yes, here's the final look. Hope you have fun watching this tutorial and hope you learned anything useful. Thanks for watching and see you next time. stay gorgeous. Bye!